What is random variable? A random variable is a whose value is unknown or a function that assigns values to each of an experiment outcomes. Random variables are often designated by letters and can be classified as discrete, which are variables that have specific values, or continuous, which are variables that can have any values within continuous range. Example of random variable. A typical example of random variable is the outcome of coin toss. Consider a probability distribution in which the outcomes of a random event are not equally likely to happen. If the random variable is y, the number of heads we get from tossing two coins, then y could be 0, 1, or 2. This means that we could have no heads, one head, or both heads on a coin toss. Types of random variables. First is a discrete random variables. Discrete random variables take on a countable number of distinct values. Consider an experiment where a coin is tossed 3 times. If x represents the number of times that a coin comes up heads, then x is a discrete random variable that can only have the values 0, 1, 2, 3 from no heads and 3 successive coin tossed to all heads. No other values is possible for x. Example: as opposed to continuous variable is discrete variable can assume only a finite number of real values with a given interval. Example of discrete variables would be the score given by the judge to a gymnast in competition. The range is 0 to 10 and score is always given to one decimal, some score of 8.5. Next is a continuous random variables. Continuous random variables can represent any values within a specific range of interval and can take on infinite number of possible values. An example of continuous random variable would be an experiment that involves measuring the amount of rainfall in a city over a year or the average height of random group of 25 people.